Our next problems are solution dilution problems. So our first one is, how much of a 12.0 molarity HNO3 solution should you use to make 850.0 milliliters of a 0.250 molarity HNO3 solution? So our simple equation for solution dilution is M1V1 is equal to M2V2. So we have M1V1 is equal to M2V2. So we need to read the problem and see which one is which of these variables. So we have M1, which is our 12.0 molarity, our V1, which is what we're trying to solve for. We have our M2, which is our 0.250 molarity, and we also have our V2, which is the 850.0 milliliters. Now, for these types of problems, you do not need to convert milliliters to liters. As long as both volumes are in the same unit, it's fine. So let's fill in the blanks. So we have M1, which is our 12.0, times our V1, which is what we're trying to solve for, is equal to M2, which is our 0.250, times our V2, which is 850.0. Now, in order to get V1 on the side by itself, we're going to divide both sides of the equation by 12.0. So V1 is equal to 0.250 times 850, hit enter on your calculator, divided by 12. Now our sig figs for this problem is going to be in 3, since that is the fewest number in the problem. So our final answer is 17.7 milliliters. Our next problem is, to what volume should you dilute 25 mils of a 12 molarity stock HCl solution to obtain a 0.500 molarity HCl solution? So we're using the same equation, the solution dilution equation, M1V1 equals M2V2. So in this case, we have M1, which is our 12 molarity here. So we have 12 times V1, which is going to be our 25 mils here, equals M2, which is our 0.500 molarity, times our V2, which is what we're trying to solve for. Now, in order to get V2 on the side by itself, we're going to divide both sides by our 0.500. So V2 is equal to 12 times our 25 times 12 times 25, hit enter on your calculator, divided by 0.500. Now our answer is going to be in our 2 sig figs. So our final answer is 600 milliliters.